also move your body. Don't sit most of the time. You have to move that body. Come on, guys. Ay, paalis. Si Whitey. Uy, si Joy Camille na iwan. Sandali lang, Joy! Babalik na. Jordan, i-post. Alam mo yung post na yun? Post 28 ba yun? Yung nakagalan.
I-posting.
Post 28.
Post 28 ba? Post 28.
Hindi nga, letter T.
Hindi, yung sinasabi ko kay Jetly, post 28.
Post 28 yun. Saan yung nilalaro
Kakainin ko yan.
na Roblox?
Nakain ko yan. Logika.
Uy lang! Yan din sinasabi ko pag nakakita ko ng pagkain eh. Kakainin ko yan.
Kinakain yung bisa sa ton. New meta.
Wala, balik tayo ko masyado.
Hindi, okay pala. Sige.
Don't drop the tan.
Ano yung sabi nila na ba yun? Yung we only watch, we don't react yun?
Vincent, we don't judge. Tanga.
Kasi yung mga usyosero, ano eh. Ang ingay kasi ng mga usyosero eh.
And this one is my reunion with my high school mates. Okay, my friends back in high school. And I am happy to see them successful, beautiful, still young, and strong. And thank you very much for watching. Bye. And thank you very much for all my friends who are always supporting our channel. You are valuable, you are enough, you are eligible. Thank you.